think the Golden Globe goes to?
I know. Inside Out.
When I was in junior high, literally my goal is to make it through the day with no one noticing me. Obviously, something went horribly wrong tonight. But the point is, we felt like growing up is really hard, and that's a worthy subject to make a movie about.
Good Lord.
Listen, making this movie has been the joy of our lives. We are so proud of it, and for that we have to thank the amazing crew of artists we work with at Pixar, the greatest artists in the world, everybody at Disney, Mr. Horn, Bob Iger, Bill Lasser, and Jim Morrison, everybody, and of course, our families, our wives, Michelle, Amanda, and our kids are watching too.